Hello everyone and welcome to today's Stocks and Crypto YouTube Charts video. I am No FOMO Charts. Today is Monday, June 2nd, 2025. It's about 8:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Welcome everyone. This is an investing and trading YouTube Charts video. Quick announcement. This month I'm going to make my videos on Monday night because we're having a lot more weekend news. So Monday night is when I'll upload my videos for June 2025. Let's start off with SPY, S&P 500 ETF. We are still in the daily uptrend for SPY. This is the resistance trend line I highlighted in my idea for trading view. This is the support trend line. So we have resistance right above 593 to 595 area. Still in the uptrend. Now the volume is not extremely large right now. We did have some price consolidation. The price did hold above the 12 EMA. We held above the 585 level. So essentially, we're stuck between 585 and 595 level. So until we have a breakout or a breakdown, it's still in this uptrend. Now, just in case something bad happens in the next 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks, we have the support gap and the 26 EMA in the purple line below. That is 577 to 567 zone. Earnings is mostly over. It's all about trade deals right now. Some tech stocks are getting overextended. And for SPY, however, on a weekly chart, we are not at any extreme yet. So we're still in the uptrend. Now, the intraday price action is what's going to dictate if we break out or not. Also, the fundamental is extremely important, but it's kind of getting choppy. Bull's getting a little bit tired. So if there's going to be a catalyst, it needs to occur this month, or else we might eventually have a small pullback. However, I do want to note that stocks, it's not like crypto. Stocks usually does not crash in a single day unless there's an extreme emergency. The price usually, like the beginning of 2025, it has to consolidate for a significant period of time before the momentum fades. Let's go to Bitcoin. Bitcoin, BTC, USDT, Binance chart. On the daily chart, we're still in this uptrend. Now, the downtrend that I'm talking about, my trading view idea, occurred from May 22nd until about now, June 3rd. Very small short-term downtrend. And so we do have this morning star that occurred above the 26 EMA. We're testing the 12 EMA resistance. Essentially, we're stuck between $104,000 and $106,000 Bitcoin. The market just opened for the Asia session. The next day occurred, the daily candle. So we had a potential sell-off and then a rally and a small little, not quite a gap up, but we're trying to continue this bounce, low, high, low, lower, high. Now, how high can it go? Just want to make sure for people to understand that since we lost this longer term support trend line, we want to make sure we are not going to reject below the all-time high level of 112, 110, $107,000 Bitcoin, because we can easily drop. This horizontal yellow line is the previous all-time high of 2025 in January. So the price needs to do two things. For a bullish scenario, we need to have volume come back into the market. The Bitcoin Treasury news that came out, the market is not extremely excited about that because the price is up so high. So from a technical standpoint, we are not at any extreme. It's not like we're up 25% from this bottom. It's just a smaller bounce right now. So what I'm watching for is potential retest of anywhere in the $105,000 range. The bullish scenario is we maybe retest this breakout and try to at least make some small short-term gains back up to 110,000. The bearish scenario is if we have a rejection, if stocks sell off for whatever reason, there's bad news or trade deal fail this month, then we can easily test the lows again, 103,000. We need to stay above $100,000 Bitcoin for sure, or else there's going to be a psychological problem because we lost this long-term trend line for the past 2 months. That's a problem. could be a problem. So this month, we'll see if we break out above these highs or not. $106,000 Bitcoin. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you learned something. If you like this video, go ahead and click subscribe, hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and happy trading, risk management, and I'll see you in the next video.